We're at number 40, Villa Coublay Drive, Frontenac, Missouri, 63131. Pushed in with the camera here from the 6-inch yard clean out to show our repair that was made in the yard. We're going to go ahead and pull back here, take a look. This is approximately a 9-foot repair that was made. You can see the sewer is holding a little bit of water here in this section. As we make our way back through to our yard clean out. Right there is the end of the repair. Come back towards our clean out here. Looks like it's been changed to schedule 35 here with a repair in a yard trap.